everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm coming along with a VR, and this one is for ShirlsCraftyWorld.com. Anyways, if you don't know her, you guys should go over to her channel. She is just a wonderful person. And she is having a challenge, and all she's requesting is a basically a loaded heart pocket. Anyways, so it's her birthday on the 14th of February, and she wants to celebrate it, and she will be actually having 14 winners. Oh my goodness, so that's a lot of winners. Anyway, so I'm a little late, so hopefully it gets to her in time. What she's requesting is a loaded heart, or a loaded heart pocket. Anyway, so what I did, I had these pieces of banner pieces that I got sometime last year, and I just glued them on the side, and yay, that made a heart right there. And she wanted 5 embellishments in here. So what I have is, I actually have 4. And these are my embellishments. I have 4 because I actually put some in here, which I'm going to be sending her separate, and some in here. So she loves purple, she loves butterflies, and I also made her a memory dex card. I know she was requesting a 3x3 card with some information and something with your address and everything. So my address and everything's in here, and my information. Of course, she had some questions, I put them in here. So I hope that's okay, Charlene. So anyways, I'll link her down in the description below so you guys could join in. She has to have it in her hands by the 10th, I believe. But if there's a problem with something, email her. I know USPS is having a delay in her mail, or in the mail everywhere. So yeah, anyway, so it might get there late, so that's okay if I don't get entered into her challenge. But I just wanted to give her and show her some of my love and support. And anyways, I'll link her down in the description below, you guys, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you. Bye for now.